This changes everything. Super good. Thumbs up. Okay.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Good morning, everyone. I'm back to where I was 2 weeks ago. I just mounted up this board permanently now. It's there. It's always going to be there. There's a little bit of space behind it, but I have it like securely fastened to the concrete plates that are back there. I'm just going to have to go and spray some foam clay, which is foam glue, back there, and that'll harden up, and there won't be any space at all. It'll all be tight and nice and secure. I'm going to attach these little drop hangers here and over there on that board, or that right there. It's cold outside, guys. It's like the next 10 days forecast is rainy and like hanging around 5 to 7 degrees Celsius. So it's cold, but it's not freezing and it's not snowing, so that's cool. My roofer guy is, he can't work like this. He just can't work like this. Tomorrow is a slight chance. There's a 30% chance of rain. That's the best outlook there is. I'll throw the weather forecast up there right now so you can take a look at that. But all is well. We're pressing along, we're plugging, and I'm gonna get these rafters built today. I'm gonna get this insulated, hopefully today or tomorrow, whatever. We'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, I got all those rafters up there. Sorry I didn't take any video. It's just a repeat of the mudroom. Whoo, man, I just struggled on that last one to get that up there. I gotta screw it in from the sides and do all that fun stuff, but it is up there. It is level, which is key. Well, guys, I wrapped this thing up. I just got this all insulated. Here is 20 centimeters of insulation. Then we're going to put some boards going this direction and cancel out the bridge of cold with another 5 centimeters. So this is going to be a nice and warm room. Well, good morning. We got a little dusting. I'm sitting here waiting for a delivery of some 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter boards so I can do the bridge of cold, cancel that out. I'm here in the dining room. Yeah, it's nippy this morning. Nippy. 1 degree. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little update and say hi to y'all. So in an effort to just get out of the house, we are doing something different today. We're having fun. We're out playing around. So we're gonna show you guys a little bit of what we do here in Belarus to break some time up. You know, it's a Sunday, not much going on. This place is called Las Legas. Las Legas. And they have all these cool Lego sets here. And these dudes love it. Actually, no. What?
No,
all these Lego sets. Man, this must have cost a lot of money. Oh my gosh, they broke it? Oh my goodness. That was an accident. Look at this. I'll be there in a second, buddy. Show me that car.
Look, there's nothing compared to it.
Wow. Dude.
Look, there's a prison in there.
It's a prison car?
Prison cell.
Wow. Live action. Losha, where are we going right now? Movie theater. Yeah? What are we gonna watch? Paw Patrol. I know, the kid likes to run off. Okay, boys. You want popcorn? Okay. So we're at the movie theater, and we got these nice big chairs. These things are awesome, and they recline, so it's gonna be. This is the typical movie theater here in Belarus. I actually know the guy that owns this theater. What's up, Alexei?
Вперед, маршал! Давай срастим этот пожар! Ай, водяная пушка!
Woohoo! Давай, Миша! Хи-хи! Go, 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 go! All right, so right now we're in a taxi and we are headed to the Minsk Dynamo hockey stadium, and we're gonna go watch a hockey game, and it's gonna be epic. These games are always super fun.
This is a perfect day for it.
Yes, it's a perfect day because it's kind of like, a little bit overcast and it's getting dark. So anyhow, you'll see it. And thanks to some really good family members, we got VIP seats. We got a box. This is our box. We're balling like a champ right now. Go check this out right here. Let's see what we got. Misha, what do you think, dude? You want to take off your jacket? Yes. So this is Minsk Dynamo Stadium. But yeah, man, look at this. Look how awesome that is. And we got this all to ourselves. We're about to order some catering right here and have some snacks. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, this is super awesome. Yeah, super glad to be here. Super glad to be here. This is great. For those that have been following the channel since the beginning, they know that I've struggled a bit. And well, haven't really talked about it because it's kind of a personal matter. But the good Lord, with the help of Him only, I was able to do it. It's hard to say actually how much this means to me. This changes everything. Super good. No more taking taxis. Well, maybe I'll take taxis, but no more relying on taxis or rides from somebody, a friend, blah, blah, blah. Life just got so much better. I'm very happy. So many things have happened this week. So many things. Yeah, kids have been out of school all week, so I've been running around taking care of them. I got the insulation done in the dining room. Still got to do, well, I didn't get it done. I got to do a little bit more in there, but it's coming along very nicely. I got all the insulation for the warm floors just now. I just left the house. That was fun. Went to an awesome hockey game this week, which was great. Minsk team lost, but who cares? It's still a great time. We had box seats, for crying out loud. We've just been having a good week, all in all. Other than being sick, man, I got my driver's license in Belarus. Man, I got 2 driver's licenses now. I've never had that before. Anyhow, you guys have a great weekend. I gotta go pick up the boy from Babushka. See you now.